Okay, if your washing machine doesn't drain at times, it could be a pump, or it could be your tub is clogged. And the reason why it won't drain is because when your pump in your washing machine starts what's running, the water is siphoned back up your pipe and down into your washer. And then you come downstairs and the water has already drained out of the sink and you wonder why your water isn't draining. So make sure if your washer is not draining, first thing to do is look for your tub being clogged, whether there's water in it or not, because it could have drained in the time it took you to find it. So run some water in there and make sure that's all clear. Okay, I'm here with our washing machine. I was able to get the water to drain out, and where it was clogged was in between the two drains. So what I can do is get in there with coat hangers and go back and forth and open that up real good. There's also a drain on this side, and those two drains meet, and they come into one pipe. And where they meet is always a place where it clogs. So either a good plunger or a coat hanger usually takes care of that. I've also heard where you can use a shop vac to suck that out too. But I'd like to start with easy to get stuff. So there I have it. I got that running again. Water goes through nice. Okay, so now our washing machine will drain. We won't have any problems. And the reason why the washing machine won't drain when that's full is water gets siphoned back through this line when your pump stops. And that's the reason why it fills back up in your washing machine. So sometimes there's absolutely nothing wrong with your pump or your washing machine. You just have a clogged drain. So thanks for watching. Okay, your water should never get up to the height of your hose, and everything should work alright. So there it is, we're in good shape.